Hello guys, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So in the past 4 months I have recommended at least 5 stocks. All the stocks have performed really well, starting from Aventel, which gave a return of 60%, more than 60%, Godfrey 30%, ACC close to 30%, McDowell's 9%, and GE Ship close to 30%. So these are the returns, and if you made money in any of these stocks, please let me know in the comment section. So in this video what we are going to do is analyze all these 5 stocks and to see what can be done next. It is a better time to exit, or it is better to hold. I just have one request for you guys. Please share this video with all the trading and investing friends in WhatsApp group or Telegram group so that they get benefited also. Before I analyze all the 5 stocks, please make sure to comment if you have traded all these stocks, and also do not forget to like this video. Thank you so much. Okay guys, so the first stock that we are going to analyze is Aventel. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place all the links of this respective video analysis video that I had done previously in the pinned comment section. You can refer those videos. Okay, probably you can watch that first and then come back again for the better learning. What did we do? We were trying to analyze this pattern, which is a channel pattern, and I entered here and look at this. Great move. This is where a few of them would be little bit impatient, and probably they were in profit here and then cost to cost or even loss. If people had entered after the next day, which would be here this day, they would have been in loss until this area, but after that, look at it. So this is what happens on every breakout. Not every breakout is very smooth, and after the breakout the price just keeps on gaining. No, that is not going to happen. Something different, unique will happen every time, and you have to be prepared for that. That is why it is always better to keep a stop loss that is little far away. Although it might be huge, you can reduce your position and enter in it. So this is a very good stock that we traded, and look at this. This is more than 67%. Right now it is forming a kind of a wick. It is better to exit, right? If you haven't been exiting, you can consider exit at this area, because even if you have entered here, which is 305, you would be in a profit of 45%, which is more than enough. 40 to 45% is great. So even the Gayatri actress made around 45% in this trade, the one who came in Vikram movie. So yeah, 45% is more than enough, guys. So we can exit in this stock because some kind of a wick is forming here, here, and here. So it is better to exit. The Godfrey Philip, I think it is a cigarette business. So let me just delete this. This is the pattern, correct? We traded this one. I asked you guys to wait until the monthly close. In the JFT community, we did trade this. Just make sure to watch that video, guys, so that you get a better learning. Okay, we traded this. We exactly entered here around this area. In JFT membership, we are in a profit of 50%, but after I posted this video, which is around here, so let's say you entered after the strong monthly close, which is here, and this is a good 22% move, which is still great, right? Or if you had entered right after my video also, I think it would be somewhere around here, so that is like 30%. So you would be in profit anyway, and this is what I had told you on that specific video, that don't feel missed out even if you didn't trade this, because this is a monthly close and there is a lot of potential. Okay, so in this monthly breakout, what happened was this one, right? This monthly breakout, what happened, it went up around 135%. So so far it has given 20 to 23%. We can expect some kind of a good move, at least 50%, guys. That is what I'm expecting. So what you can do is book a partial profit, okay, and let's see how this month end. So far it is good only. It doesn't look that bad. Yes, this is kind of a wick, but in a smaller time frame, if you look at it, it's not that bad, and we have to see if there is kind of a relief move. Basically I would exit partially a little bit now, and then after 50%, and then that is a better way to exit. And yeah, this moved really well. I think was posted for Diwali. And next, let's go to GE ship, and again this was posted around this area, right? I was asking you guys to wait for the monthly close, which happened, and look at this move. So far it has given close to more than 30%. And if you look at the daily time frame, it has also given another entry here after this consolidation. So if you do multi-time frame analysis, and if you are good at price action, you can earn in different ways in different time frames, guys. Just make sure that you are very good at price action, which is what we focus on our JFT equity membership. We teach you all kinds of price action, small things that helps you become a better trader, because if you focus on the fundamentals of price action, not the fundamental analysis, if you focus on the fundamentals of price action and how the candlesticks move, you will be able to trade not only based on my recommendation. You can trade on your own, doing your own analysis. That is what we do on our community as well. Okay, so if you are still holding GE ship, I recommend you to hold further, because I think that it has a lot of potential to go further. There was a good opportunity here, and it is okay. Do not take any fresh entries. This is just a review video of all the videos that I have suggested in the past 3-4 months, and this is how it is looking. So the next stock is going to be ACC. And look at the ACC. I told you guys that it is coming out of this trend line on a monthly, right? This one. And what happened was, I told you guys, I think I posted this video around this area. Okay, exactly, probably around this area. And although it has gone up until this area 26%, I traded only after this area. Okay, this breakout happened, right? I don't know if it is this one or this one. You can just go and check it out. Probably this one. And look at this. I booked around 16 to 17% profit in this, and it has come down after that. And right now it is still good, to be honest. Yeah, this wick is little bit concerning, but the momentum seems to be good, because there is a good wick at the bottom, which tells you that there is a good buyers also. So it is kind of in the middle. So if you guys are still holding, you can keep on holding. And I do have few quantities remaining. I'm still holding it, because the monthly breakout is a very huge one. Okay, let me just adjust it a little bit. I think it needs some adjustment. So this is the monthly breakout. After monthly breakout, at least some 50 to 100% move can be expected. So far only 16%. The reason I booked it around the 16% is because I invested around like 1.8 crores or something, not 8 crore, 1.08 crores or something like that. 16% is more than enough for me. And yeah, right now it is in the middle, guys. It is in the middle. It is neither bad nor great. I'm still holding that remaining position. Let's see how it goes. ACC is a good stock. It has gone up around 16% from my last video. Okay, and McDowell's, it still has a lot of potential. Sorry, I have explained this on our community. That is why you see all these drawings. So basically this is the pattern, and also in daily time frame it has, if you look at the monthly pattern, it has broken out and it has been consolidating in weekly. Correct, this is the weekly consolidation, and even in daily it has consolidated a lot. Not a lot, a decent consolidation, and it has given a breakout, and again there is an opportunity, right? It is kind of trying to break out today. Let's see how it goes. I still have a huge position in this. I'm not gonna reveal how much I allocated in this trade, but it is quite huge. I have not sold any stock in this. I'm expecting it to touch at least this area. You may find me doing a video on this probably when 930 940 area is hit, because this is kind of a resistance area. But I do think that all-time high, McDowell's will hit the all-time high, and then it will also break that area soon, because everything is perfect for McDowell's, although it is little bit slow for now, but some kind of a rocket move is what I'm expecting. Look at this, these kinds of move from here. till here, which is 92%, and that is why you see this kind of a consolidation. After that, if not 90%, at least we should expect the all-time high first, and then let's measure it from here. So the all-time high is 25%, almost 25%, right? So some 40% at least I'm expecting from this area. So let's see how it goes. I don't know the time frame. It may take 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. Totally depends on the market condition, and all we do is multi-time frame analysis, and so this is what we do in JFT membership as well. These should act as a example of what we do in the JFT membership, because we trade a lot more stocks than this. Okay, we have captured 100%, 150%, 30%, 40%. No matter how the market condition looks, we keep on booking profits and we keep on making money. So that is what we focus on, and if you want to be a part of that, please consider joining JFT equity membership. You will find all the details there. Okay, and if you want a potential stock video, let me know in the comment section. Please do not forget to mention that out of these 5 stocks, what are the stocks that you traded and how many percent that you captured, because that will act as a motivation for me to upload further potential stocks video. Because if you're not trading it, there is no point in uploading, right? So I want you guys to comment if you made money or not. So let me just give you a quick review. Aventel, yes, it is better to exit here, and Godfrey Philip, let me just, yeah, so I'm just expecting a little more. Okay, it is better to book a partial, but I'm expecting a little more also. G ship, same, you can hold a little more. ACC, it is kind of a neutral, guys, because I'm a little bit concerned about this wick in monthly, which is huge, but at the same time there is a good pressure on the bottom also. What can happen is it can again consolidate a little bit and then move. ICC on a longer time frame, it is definitely good, because it has broken out of monthly, so it means a major resistance has been broken. And McDowell's, do not sell it yet. At least wait for until 940 area and then all-time high. It totally depends on you where you want to exit it. I personally probably I'll exit a little bit here and then around all-time high little bit, and then after all-time high. So that is my plan. Right now I'm at a profit of 9%, 9, or I don't know, a little bit more maybe. I posted this video here, exactly, not here, sorry guys. Where did I post it? I think here, yeah, I posted it here. So far it has gone up 9%, right? Yeah. I've asked to place your stop loss here, so at least 1:2 or 1:3 would be better, right? So do not sell. I hope you are holding McDowell's, and please do not forget to share this video with all your trading friends in WhatsApp group or Telegram group. That would be very helpful for me and also to you. Thank you so much, and see you soon with another video.